What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just want to salute everyone who have been purchasing the gear. I appreciate it. Who been messing with me, man? Who been getting their hog on with me. Numbers don't lie. I've been seeing the numbers roll in, but I haven't been seeing a lot of the photos. So I know someone has been, checking me out. So if you want me to add your photo to my blog, please email it to me at hogonwelding@gmail.com or send it to the business number at 480-430-6591, and I will post it and have it on my blog. My goal is to have an archive where I can actually put them in like a viral type video where I just let them just go on returns, just showing the states and locations from the people who's actually getting their hog on with me and what they're doing. If they're out there on the grind, if they're in the office or whatever the situation is, man, I appreciate those who are supporting the movement. So I want to show my support and just let you know, hey, I'm rocking with you too. So I appreciate it, man. I just want to take a small minute just to say that, man. Like I say, I'm humble. So it always feels good to know someone else is on the same mindset as you, as far as, grinding and changing and making an opportunity that was messed up better, bringing the most out of themselves. And pretty much, man, that's what the brand is about. It's about, pushing yourself to the limit, not accepting excuses. We all know that the game is crooked. We all know that things are not fair. We already know that, a lot of us had a raw deal dealt to us from the get-go. A lot of us was born with wooden spoons, you know what I'm saying? So we have to figure out our way. We have to create a way. You know what I mean? A lot of our families don't have black wealth or wealth, period. So we have to create it. We have to create something that we can pass down and know that, not to get sidetracked, because we do it. When you never had nothing, once you get a little bit, you tend to wild out for a second. That's normal. I've been there. I done blew money just doing things because, hey, man, I never got a chance to do that, and that's fine. I'm not knocking that, but once you know better and you figure, you figure you're living out, you figure your life out, you say, you know what, this is how I want to live. This is how I want to be. You know what I mean? This is how I want to move. This is where I want to go. I don't want to stay nowhere where it's cold all the time. Or I can stay there during a nice time and go over here when it's this time. I'm just saying, you can come up with whatever. So for those who've been getting their hog on with me, I appreciate it. Like I say, I just want to stop through this morning and just say, hey, I salute you, whatever state you in. Be safe on that road. Be safe as you grind. Keep coming up with better ideas. Create your own products. 2020, we're going to take over, man. We're going to really get our hog on. Actions speak louder than words.